In this video, you will learn about the web visits dashlet on your global dashboard. The web visits dashlet displays the total visits to your website during this time period that are being tracked via the SugarMarket web tracking code. A visit is recorded when a person lands on any page of your website and begins browsing. These visits also count all visitors, regardless of how many times they have visited your website. On the y-axis of the area graph, you will see the number of visitors. And on the x-axis, you will see the date value corresponding to the time frame of the global dashboard. For example, the quarterly and monthly views will show weeks, while the weekly view will show days. To display the comparable data, you will see two different colored areas on the graph. The data from the current time frame will be displayed in light blue, whereas the data from the previous time frame will display in a dark blue. You can double-click on one of the data points within this graph or click View Full Performance in the top right corner of the dashlet to view additional insights. You can select the data points on the left panel to populate the right panel and drill down to see who has visited your website. On this right panel, you can see the date and the time of the web visit, the source, the email address if known, the contact owner, and the referrer if detected. If your account is new or you just applied the web tracking code, you may see a large amount of anonymous data in this view. This is because visitors to your website have not converted yet, meaning they are not known to SugarMarket. A record becomes converted when a person either clicks on a link in an email campaign sent from SugarMarket or fills out a SugarMarket form. The SugarMarket web tracking code will cookie them using their email address to identify who they are in the system. This will allow you to track their activity across your website moving forward, rather than the web activity being considered anonymous. Thus, the record has converted from unknown to known within SugarMarket. Similar to the rest of the dashlets, you still have the ability to export this data as a CSV file by selecting the download report icon in the top right corner. To learn more about the forms completed dashlet, tune in to the next video in this series.